Hi everybody, so I am super excited to be teaming up with Knorr for Salt Awareness Week this week because Knorr have developed a zero salt stock cube, which is very exciting for me because I am such a big advocate of families eating together at meal times and trying to eat the same things where possible, including for babies and young children. And this zero salt stock cube allows you to do that without having to compromise on flavour and without having to worry about added salt in the meal. So for this reason, I've created 3 recipes for Knorr, and one of those is this next recipe, which is for my frozen vegetable risotto. Check it out.
Give it a thumbs up.